here. What most of our clients do is they have us manage this part for them too. So you might get this lead. They've got the video, got the email from you. You follow up, and this is where your new leads land right here. Now, I'm going to walk you through what happens with our full service clients. We have lead managers. So our lead manager will call this with an auto dialer. They will contact them. They'll have a phone conversation with them. Those are all recorded, and you can go into the conversations and you can view what's happened. We'll call. We have automations set up that we're turning into AI conversational automations with email and text that also help follow up with these clients. The ultimate goal is qualifying them, and when they're qualified, our team just moves them over to ready for client, and then that activates the property report team. The property report team comes in and they research that property, and then it lands in the acquisition. And this is where our clients finally start getting the leads. Our property report team has gone into these leads. They have generated all kinds of information about them. So a lead comes in, it lands in new leads, then our team starts managing it. We follow up with AI email, AI text. They've received the video of you. We talk to them on the phone. When we qualify them, it goes into ready for the client, and then it lands here. And when it lands here, now the client is finally talking to the lead. We've done all that pre-work. And then what a lead looks is it comes up, and in the notes, it'll have a link to the property report and the price report. So this has gone to our property research team. They've generated these reports, and our property research team has gone and looked at the Google map, the tax status, appraised value, Google map link. Let me get myself out of the way here. The research report, last sale date, suggested prices for it, etc. And then we also purchase a priced report for you, where the client can go in and they can look real specifically at these properties, how much they might be worth, and get a bunch of information here. When a lead lands with our client, it's been through this entire vetting process. It lands with all of this research done. And so what that enables our client to do is just get on the phone and negotiate deals more effectively. And so you can see this client is right now managing 71 opportunities, and altogether we're managing 250 opportunities in the background for them, following up with a nurture sequence where we are sending emails, sending text, recalling them every 4 months, and that is AI assisted. This happens in a vacuum. On our client's end, it looks like we capture 80 leads a month, and all they do is they talk to about 15 leads per month on the phone. They get about 15 leads with property reports, with priced comping reports, with all that information, about 15 leads per month. Everything else just happens behind the scenes. We'll manage about 80 leads that we capture from cold callers. We'll qualify them, send about 15 on. And then, so on our client's end, it just looks like 15 leads. But this doesn't just happen by magic. In the back end, there's all kinds of measurement that has to go on to make sure that huge system I just showed you is actually happening, and that we're measuring each part of that, because it's really easy to get a cold caller on the phone and then get leads coming in and then think that's the end of the day.